Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello students, how are you? Hope you are enjoying yourself at home. Alhamdulillah. This is Mr. Owoabi Musa MA, basic technology teacher for JSS3. So inshallah, we'll continue our e-learning class, which is organized by this management of the CTY Model College, Ibadan. So this is week 5. So inshallah, this week we are going to look at pneumatic system. Last week we talked about the hydraulic system, and inshallah we are going to look at pneumatic system, and we are going to know the difference between pneumatic and hydraulic system. Now this is the note. First of all, let me first introduce the topic: pneumatic system. Pneumatic system and hydraulic system are similar in the sense that both are used for power transmission, but there is a difference between the two systems. Hydraulic system uses compressed liquid, while pneumatic system uses compressed gas or air. Let me repeat it again. The similarity between the two system, the pneumatic system and hydraulic system, is that they are similar in the sense that they are both used for power transmission. But the only difference between them is that the hydraulic system uses compressed liquid, while the pneumatic system uses compressed gas or air. Now, pneumatic system, the definition. This is the system that uses compressed air or gas to transmit mechanical power or energy for useful work to be done. Again, pneumatic system is the system that uses compressed air or gas to transmit mechanical power or energy for useful work to be done. If it is hydraulic, that one it uses what? It uses compressed liquid. Now, we talk about the simple pneumatic system, the working principle. So this system mostly relies on a constant supply of compressed air to make it work. It only what? It mostly relies on a constant supply of compressed air to make it work. Now, how does this produce? It is provided by an air compressor, and the compressor suck in the air from the atmosphere and direct the compressed air through the tube, as you can see from the diagram below, to the tank or reservoir, which store under pressure and ready to deliver it as soon as the operating valve is opened. As soon as the operating valve is open, this compressed air, which is from the atmosphere, so as soon the valve is open, then the tube to the tank or reservoir, which store under pressure and ready to deliver it as soon as the operating valve is opened. So we now have what we call the actuator. The actuator is made up of a cylinder and a piston that goes up and down the cylinder barrel as air enter it. As you can see from the diagram, the actuator of the consists of what? Cylindrical and piston. As you can see, is the one we painted with blue pen. That is actuator. So it is used. So it's made up of cylinder, and it and goes up and down the cylinder barrier as the air immediately the air enter the machine, enter the system. So it will go up and down. So it is the actuation that does the necessary work. The part that does most of the work in this machine is what? The actuator. So the actuator is the one that does what? The necessary work when the air when the is made up of cylinder, so it goes up and down as the air enter the tube. So it will now goes up and down. It will now this actuator now that does what? The necessary work. Now we look at the application of pneumatic system. Now the following are some of the tools, devices and machine in which pneumatic system is used. One, We have pneumatic spanner, automatic doors, paint sprayer, pavement breakers, or we call it jackhammers, dentist tools, rock drills, riveters, and forging presses. These are the devices or machine or tools that use what? That use pneumatic system. So this is where we are going to stop for our lesson one. But let me quickly now go through the some important note in this pneumatic system. When we start the topic, we try to differentiate between this pneumatic system and hydraulic system. Although they are similar, what is their similarity? They are used to what? To transmit power. That is their similarity. But the only difference between them is that the hydraulic system uses compressed liquid, while the pneumatic system uses what? Compressed gas or air. Now, we now say that the pneumatic system is a system that uses compressed air or gas to transmit mechanical power or energy for useful work to be done. So that is the pneumatic system. And we now talk about the working principle. So when we talk about the working principle, there are some important parts in this pneumatic system. We talk about the compressor, we talk about the tube, tank or reservoir, we talk about the operating valve and the actuator. We now say that a pneumatic system mostly relies on a constant supply of compressed air to make it work. To make it work. So now, this is provided by an air compressor. What make this thing possible is the air compressor. So the compressor now suck in air from the atmosphere and direct the compressed air through the tube to the tank or reservoir. The air will pass through the tube to now move to the tank, or you call it reservoir, which stall under pressure and ready to deliver it as soon as the operating valve is open. Now, for this thing now to be delivered, it will now be it is when the opening valve is what? Is open. Now we now talk about another part again, which is what? Actuator. This actuator, the function is that it is made up of a cylinder and a piston that goes up and down the cylinder barrel as air enter it. So it is this actuator now that does the necessary work. It is this actuator that does the necessary work. As you can see, this is the figure, the diagram of the pneumatic system. Now we now talk about the working principle, that the tools or machine that uses this system. The following are some tools, devices and machine in which pneumatic system is used: pneumatic spanner, automatic doors, paint sprayer, pavement breaker or that is jackhammer, dentist tools, rock drills, riveters and forging presses. So this is where we are going to stop for our lesson one. Inshallah, we meet again in lesson two. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.